Today we are reading Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Safe Splashing. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activity ideas for no prep, homeschool learning, or classroom discussion and writing activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning resources and access to my printable and play-based no prep preschool curriculum. Now let's read Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Safe Splashing. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and Daniel Tiger is feeling excited. He heard that there's something new about Trolley. My dad and I are going for a walk to see if any of our neighbors know what's new about Trolley. You can come too, Daniel says. On their walk, Daniel sees Jody playing with a handmade paper dragonfly. Dragonflies are my favorite bug, Jody says. I didn't know that, Daniel replies. He sings, I like learning something new about you. Jody wonders what's new about Trolley. Maybe Trolley can fly like a dragonfly, she guesses. Jody imagines she is flying with Trolley. Daniel and Dad Tiger continue their walk and sing, There's something new about Trolley. I wonder what it could be. Won't you speedy walk with me? Won't you speedy walk with me? They see the owl painting with his wings outside the treehouse. Shows Daniel how he dips his wing in paint and then drips the paint onto the paper. That looks tiger-tastic. I didn't know you could paint like this, Daniel sings. I like learning something new about you. The red and yellow painting looks a little like Trolley. I wonder if Trolley has painted new colors, says O. He imagines he is painting Trolley all different colors. Daniel and Dad continue their walk to look for Trolley. As they pass the music shop, Daniel hears some music. Does that sound like Trolley, he asks. Let's go find out, says Dad Tiger. Inside the music shop, they discover that the music is coming from Miss Elena's ukulele. Miss Elena plays a song for Daniel and his dad. I didn't know you could play the ukulele, says Dad Tiger. Daniel sings, I like learning something new about you. Miss Elena wonders if Trolley can make music too. She imagines she is playing music in space with Trolley. Daniel finds Chrissy and Prince Wednesday waiting for Trolley. What do you think is new about Trolley? Daniel asks. Maybe Trolley has a new light that's purple, exclaims Prince Wednesday. Or maybe Trolley is covered in flowers, says Chrissy. The rest of Daniel's friends arrive, and they all call out to Trolley. They listen for Trolley's familiar ding ding. Suddenly they hear ding ding, and Trolley pulls up. Everyone is so excited to find out what is new. Can you fly like a dragonfly? Asked Jody. Are you going to change your colors? Asked O the owl. Are you going to play us music? Asked Miss Helena. Just then the base of Trolley inflates, and a paddle wheel comes out of the back. Trolley has turned into a boat. Trolley can turn into a boat? That's new and tiger-tastic, exclaims Daniel. All the friends sing, I like learning something new about you. Everyone is excited to go for a boat ride, but first it's important to put on life vests to be safe while on the boat. Dad Tiger helps Daniel put on his life vest. After everyone puts on their life vests, they board the boat and buckle in their seats. Trolley, please take us for a boat ride, says Dad Tiger. Trolley sets off into the water. It's a beautiful boat ride on Trolley. Everyone sings, Trolley showed us something new. We're on a boat at sea. Won't you float along with me? Won't you float along with me? Ding, ding. Suddenly, Daniel hears something splashing in the water. It's a dolphin, tiger-tastic. Daniel cheers. He's never seen a dolphin before. Everyone watches in awe as the dolphin jumps and splashes next to the boat. When the boat ride is over, Trolley takes them back to the shore. Here we are, back on land. Thanks, Trolley, says Dad Tiger. That boat ride was Griffic, says Daniel. There's so much to see and hear when you're on a boat at sea. When they are back on land, Trolley transforms back into regular Trolley. I'm so glad we learned something new about Trolley and our friends too, says Daniel. I wonder what new things you can learn about your friends. Ugga mugga. What was your favorite part of this book? What happened first, next, then, and last? What is the setting of the story? When and where does it happen? Who is in the story? Name the characters and describe them. What new things does Daniel Tiger learn about all of his friends? What can you learn about your family and friends, and how can you learn new things about them? Take out paper or use a notepad on your phone to draw or write about your friends everything you know and love about them, and also what you would like to know more about. You can make a list of questions to ask your family and friends or talk with them right now. What's something I don't know about you? Or what's something you wish everyone knew about you? You can learn about their hobbies. What are your favorite things to do? What are your favorite places to go? What is your favorite memory? What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite season? What's something you'd like to learn how to do? Make up more questions and discuss with family, friends, and peers. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions, drawing, and writing activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for printable and play-based no-prep preschool curriculum and free learning activities for home or the classroom. Thank you for reading with me.